Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to boost your post on Instagram. To start the process, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Then go to your profile. Now select any post. Here tap on Boost Post. Here select results you would like from this ad. Then tap on Next. You can either create your own audience or select Automatic. Then tap on Next. Now adjust the daily budget. Instagram recommends making it no less than $5. From here, you can adjust how long your Instagram post will be boosted. You can either set the duration or run this app until you pause it. Then tap on Next. Here tap on Payment. Now enter your country or region, currency, and time zone. After that, tap on Next. Then go back to the review page and tap on Boost Post. This is how you can boost your post on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.